Hey guys, welcome back to Maximum Automation. Today in this video, we're going to discuss the difference between hash map and linked hash map. In one of my previous videos, we have discussed what is map and hash map. If you want to see that video, then you can find the link in the I button or in the description. As we know that hash map is a part of Java's collection. It implements the map interface of Java. Hash map stores the data in key value pairs, where key should be unique. If you try to insert the duplicate key, it will replace the element of the corresponding key. Now, if we talk about linked hash map in Java, then it inherits the hash map class and implements the map interface of the Java collection frameworks. And it is similar to hash map. We can use the linked hash map to store the data in the form of key value pairs, like we do in hash map. Also, keys should be unique. And if you try to insert the duplicate key, it will replace the element of the corresponding key. So linked hash map is just like the hash map. The only difference between hash map and linked hash map is the insertion order of values. Linked hash map provides an additional feature of maintaining the order of elements inserted into it, while hash map does not maintain the insertion order. When we access the values of linked hash map, then we get the values in the same order as we have inserted. Let's see the practical ways to get the difference between these two. So first, I'm going to create the map object using hash map. I'm using the hash map type as string, string, as I'm going to store the country code and country name in this hash map. So country code will be my key and country name will be the value. So I have added IND as country code and India as the value for the key IND. Let me add a few more country codes with their values. Now, let's just add the statement to print the values of this hash map. I'll print the key and their values. Now let's run the test to see how the items are gonna return. Here you can see that it printed all the data from the hash map. And if you notice the order of the item, then you can see that the hash map did not maintain the insertion order. We added our first value as IND, India. But in the console, you can see that it returned the first value as Canada. So hash map does not maintain the insertion order of the elements. Now, I'm going to create another map object, but this time using linked hash map of type string, string. As I'm going to use the same data, so I'll just copy the same values for linked hash map as well. Now let's run the test to see how the items are gonna be returned for both hash map and linked hash map. Here you can see that it printed the data for hash map and linked hash map both. Now, if you notice the order of the values again, then you can see that linked hash map returned the exact same order of values as we inserted, while hash map did not maintain the order. Now the question comes that which one to use, either hash map or linked hash map. So linked hash map uses linked list to maintain the insertion order, which takes extra memory in terms of hash map. So if you don't want to maintain the insertion order, then I would suggest going with hash map. But if you want the insertion order should be maintained, then you can go with linked hash map. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to the channel. Also, please don't forget to click on the bell icon.